So we're just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, still following Bitcoin. Obviously we had that pullback on Monday, which led us back down to this level here, but looking like we are so far today, Bitcoin looking like it wants to bounce. You can see the high correlation of price action of Dogecoin and Bitcoin here. We did pull back because altcoins hit a new all-time high on the basket. As you can see, this is really highly correlated with Dogecoin. You can see we came up here, rejected, and then you can see the correlation here. Basically, we came up, retested, and got a pullback, as you would expect. Dogecoin right now basically just having a bit of a healthy retrace. There's that Dogecoin dog that I always love to see. But overall, recently and overall this cycle, Dogecoin's still looking good for more upside in my opinion. We're definitely going to be heading up towards that $1 level for Dogecoin over the next year, if I had to guess. You can see we're indomitably making our way to the upside in this cycle. Higher highs and higher lows. Looking at that good bullish market structure and a lot stronger than the vast majority of altcoins. The vast majority of cryptos, to be honest. You can see very clear and obvious bear market range to break the retest, the continuation, the fourth wave for another retest. Obviously with the tariff dump that we saw at the start of the year for the whole space, it did limit the amount of upside that we got for Dogecoin this year, but it looks like it's coiling up now for another push to the upside. You can see recently we came up, swept liquidity above this range high here, and we really do just look like, in my opinion, that we are starting to march upwards and get more bullish within this local range that we're in, which I think could lead to another parabolic breakout for Dogecoin. If you look at the altcoin basket, it's basically at all-time highs, and if it does break out, and Ethereum also has some good relief to the upside, finally moving up past its all-time high, and the altcoin basket here getting a good displacement and continuation to the upside, I think Dogecoin is also going to receive a really nice boost, and it's going to be heading up towards that $1 area, I think, which will be that fabled $1 finally being hit for Dogecoin. I mean, you can see just eyeballing this chart, if you didn't know anything about charts whatsoever, you could argue that this looks like it's going up, don't you think? But with all the analysis that I've done here, I am pretty confident that Dogecoin is going to be heading up soon, provided, as always, that we don't get some kind of cataclysmic failure for Bitcoin or the rest of the altcoin space, or just Dogecoin itself. But overall, right now, I think Dogecoin looking like it's putting in some potential for this $1 to $2 area here to be the final target. This would make total sense, I think, doing something like this for this cycle. Looks like it's very, very likely at this point, in my opinion, and I have been accumulating like a madman in preparation for this. So let's see what happens next. Overall, I do think Dogecoin is going to do really well going forward. Right now we are just having a little bit of a pullback, maybe before a big move to the upside, or maybe we'll have to wait a while. Let's see. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates, and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.